In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily pin some conversation or group chat on iMessage. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app. And then guys, basically all you have to do to pin a conversation is just long press on it and then tap at pin. What that will do, that will remove the conversation from your chats list and it will place it at the very top as a circle. So we can tap at that circle to get into that conversation. To unpin a conversation, long press on it and then tap at unpin. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.